Okay, now we'll open the lens for camera. So let me show you. I just got this order today. Okay, so let's take it. Inside, so the thing is here. I think it looks good. 100 400 millimeter EF 4.5 to 5.6 L. This, you can see this one, the mark. The mark is here. Okay, maybe this is for Canon, so I bought last time. Canon. This is the price is around $1,719. This way. Okay. I don't think this is good way, but I think I started from behind. So you see, it came with the back. Okay, let me show you inside. It came this way. It has some manual here. There is some manual. They take care. It's good, man. So let me open. Yeah. See? Let's open. Select it hot inside. Okay. See, this is kind of case. Okay. Wow. It's very heavy. Damn. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's kind of heavy. You see? Is it just a case or? No, it's a cover. It's kind of cover. Okay. So this is the lens. I think you can open from here. You see? And this one, see, this is the lens. Wow. looks good. Three valves, man. You see, 3 valves. Very, very, very long. Cannot imagine. I like it. I like it very much. So you can hold like this, I guess, and that's it. Thank you guys. So I think I like it. This looks like new, so I think it is in good condition, so I'll take it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. You can subscribe for more, and I will just explain to you if I have any. If I'll try on the ground, so I'll show you how the pictures and the video will look like from which I took from here. So if you need the camera for Canon, I'll leave the link below the description. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.